Hello everyone, myself Ayush Jaiswal and this is an explanation video of data science paper part B question 5 of our internal one. Here we will see similarity and dissimilarity in feedback in analysis. This is the question. Thus briefly outline how to compute dissimilarity between students feedback profile described by nominal attributes like department and elective chosen and asymmetric binary attributes like attended workshops and etc all and numeric attributes that is CGPA and attendance percentage and terms frequency vectors that is keyword in open textbooks. Now, why it's matter? Why does university care about this? If two students have very similar feedback profile, they face similar problems and they can be kept in a similar cluster or a group. Maybe there may be a outliner or need special attention. A student with very outlined uh, things or cases may need special attention, so we can know that using this similarity and dissimilarity. Now first we will go for nominal attributes, where we have taken department as CSIT mechanical and chosen is from data science, AI or cyber security. And how to measure dissimilarity: simple matching distance. If two students are in same department, distance is 0, and distance different departments, distance is 1. If both the students are in same department like IT and IT, then the distance between them is 0, and if they are in another department, then the distance is 1. So we will go for asymmetric binary for our second. Here we will get the answer in a form of, for example, I will attend a Python workshop. There can be someone who have attended, that is yes, and someone who have not attended, that is no. Here the data is stored in a form of yes and no, so we will see the yes because it is too important. So we will use a Jacob distance to ignore double zeros. So we can calculate dissimilarity using 1 minus Jacob similarity formula, where this is j equals to number of common yes divided by total attributes at least 1 in yes. And it is very popular for rare events, like if someone has uh, filled the form but not attended, that is no. So we can know that this is a rare event. And C is numeric attribute. Third and most common numeric attribute example is CGPA and attendance, where best distance can be calculated using Euclidean method and Chebyshev, that is Rupium, and Minkowski distance. And we will discuss this in our next video also. We will define all the formula and calculate this. We have a question for that in our next video. Now with terms frequency, our example student wrote a good teacher, slow internet and helpful notes. Student B wrote a good teacher, fast internet, no notes. That is his feedback towards the college or the department. We convert text into a term frequency vector, where we make a clusters of that, and this is a more hybrid topic we will see in our future videos, where we will see the cosine similarity, where dissimilarity is 1 minus cosine similarity. This is also calculated in our previous video. You can go for that. That is, I think, part A, question 2. Okay. Now this is a comparison table that explain you better of distance, where attribute type can be nominal, then the simple matching, we can use a simple matching method for distance or Jacob's method that I have explained there. And examples that are department and elective. And asymmetric binary, we can use Jacob distance to attend workshop. This can be used for rare events, I have mentioned it, where someone has filled the form but not attended. This is a rare event. And numeric keywords where Euclidean, Manhattan, cosine similarity, Chebyshev, and something like one more method is there. And so exactly what you should write in exam according to this question for to score you a good marks, we can write a nominal attributes, use simple matching coefficient or checkered distance, 0 if same category, 1 if different, and asymmetric binary we use checkered method to ignore common negatives, only common yes matters. And numeric attributes use Euclidean, Manhattan or Minkowski distance after normalization, z-score or min-max. Term frequency vector use cosine distance, that is 1 minus cosine similarity, most suitable for text keyword data to define that vector clusters. And that's question 5 completely solved. So please, we will go for question 6 in our next video, that is distance measures on tuple. Comment similarity done. Thank you.